We have our reporters with us live from all across the country. I want to bring in Ashish Pandey live with us from the Gandhi Hospital in Hyderabad. We also have Ankit, Gopi Krishnan Unithan, Manogya, Pramod and others live with us from other cities. Let's go across to Ashish first. Ashish, vaccination drive in full swing in all cities. Take us through what's happening in Hyderabad.
Yes, Shiv, you're absolutely right. In Hyderabad, vaccination drives are on in Gandhi Hospital and several other hospitals, 13 in fact hospitals, private as well as government hospitals. Today they are administering vaccine. We are at NIMS, Nizam Institute of Medical Science here. Telangana government, Dr. Tamilisai, she inaugurated the vaccination drive, and in fact, we have at least 30, minimum 30 beneficiaries here in this Nizam Institute of Medical Science. Apart from the Nizam Institute of Medical Science, total 139 centers. There at each center, 30 healthcare workers, frontline workers are today getting vaccinated. In Gandhi Hospital, which is one of the largest hospital of Telangana, one frontline worker, she is a sanitation worker. She got the first dose of vaccine. Prime Minister interacted with the healthcare worker at Gandhi Hospital. Apart from Gandhi Hospital, he also interacted healthcare workers, frontline workers of rural healthcare center located in Rangareddy district. Apart from Telangana, Prime Minister also interacted healthcare workers, frontline workers of Andhra Pradesh. We have one doctor, you have taken the vaccine, so
yes.
First shot of vaccine.
Yes.
How are you feeling now?
I feel great and I feel very much empowered.
And there are several doubts about vaccination, that you might develop some kind of allergy, some kind of issue. Any issue, anything you are feeling now?
Absolutely not. I feel stronger than ever before.
In these months, you were involved in the COVID-19 ward and taking care of all those COVID-19 patients. Today, you are getting vaccinated. What message you will give to the country as well as fellow healthcare worker, frontline workers?
The first message I want to give is vaccination is safe. Vaccination for COVID with Indian vaccines is safe. Trust your doctors, trust your administrators, trust what your scientists have got for you. It is safe, and with this vaccine we can protect ourselves, we can protect our near and dear ones, and we can take our country to a different level of health.
You have got a flower as well as a message from the governor of Telangana. What she says?
So it says, proud of our vaccine, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you for leading us from pandemic to protection.
So clearly, thanks to these frontline workers, these doctors who work continuously in these months, in fact, to
Yes.
2020, now they have got vaccinated. In Telangana, almost 35,000 healthcare workers, they are being trained for this mega vaccination drive, and in coming days the government is planning to increase the number of beneficiaries. Today, on the very first day, only 30 frontline workers are getting vaccinated at 139 centers in Telangana, but later after Monday the number will increase, Shiv.
Okay, the number will definitely increase. After that, only 100 per vaccination center. Gopi, coming to you. You're in Madurai. Take us through what's happening there. Looks like things are very busy behind you.
Well, absolutely, Shiv. It's a very busy day out here at the government hospital in Madurai, and this was where Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy and Deputy Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam formally inaugurated the vaccination drive. I'll just show you the vaccination desk. Things are moving fast and thick is what I can see here, because it has become a very normal procedure. Each person is coming who has been registered earlier. He will be carrying a token, just as the gentleman over there. And the vaccines are kept in these cold storage boxes, and his token will be handed over to the health officials or the nurses who are administering this vaccine, and he will take his seat. I'll just take you through the whole process, Shiv, so that our viewers also get a better understanding. And the vaccine is already in that syringe, and that is how it's going to be administered. So it's a very quiet and simple process. It is not even taking 1 minute for each person to be administered with the vaccine, and there that shot is given, that's done. As quick and simple as that. And you can actually see a lot of people who have been registered for this whole vaccination drive waiting over here. And maybe I'll try and get in some reaction from the doctors who have already been administered with the vaccine. The first doctor at this hospital to be administered with the vaccine was actually the president of government Doctors Association in Tamil Nadu. Maybe I'll try and get a word with him. Excuse me, sir. Sir, you were the first to be administered with the vaccine here, so how does it feel? There are a lot of suspicion and concern among the general public.
No, we are comfortable. Today I took the jab. There was just a small prick, as in any other injection. With a dose of just 0.5 ml, it didn't even pain. We are quite comfortable after that, and everyone who took the vaccine are also quite comfortable here. And this is for which we were waiting for the last 10 months. That is the vaccine for against corona. And we are lucky. We feel that we are lucky to have the first shots, because it will make us safe at the earliest. And wish every healthcare worker and frontline workers and the public take it at the earliest, so that we'll be able to control and eradicate this coronavirus.
It's been almost an hour since you were administered with the vaccine. How does it feel now? How are you feeling overall? Are you still better?
Yes, except for that prick pain, otherwise we are normal and we don't feel anything. We are comfortable. We are chatting here. And we are waiting for the time so that we can get out of this observation room.
Which was the vaccine administered to you? Was it the Covishield or Covaxin? And why was it? Who made that choice?
No, it was not our choice. The government has issued the vaccine. Today I was told that we will be taking Covishield, and we took that Covishield jab. But even if Covaxin has been offered, I would have taken it.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for speaking to us, and wish you good luck. And Shiv, you just heard the doctor who was administered with the vaccine, and there are many more who have been administered, and it's all normal for them. It's all normal, and this is going to be the same for the most of the general public as well. And these people, they're also brimming with confidence. They're actually giving us a very, very clear signal that this is going to be a very simple and quiet process. There is no rocket science behind it. People, there are a lot of speculation going around on the actual accuracy and side effects, and these doctors are certainly ruling those possibilities out. And this is how the first day of vaccination looks like at the government hospital in Madurai. As you were rightly pointing out, it's extremely busy because it's the first day, so there is a lot of curiosity among the people and also from the public and obviously from the media, and that is how it's happening. So so this is something that I found really peculiar over here. It's
yes.
Very quick. The nurses, the nursing staff, they have been well trained. They're all prepared as and when a patient comes. They're not waiting for the patient to come and then fill the syringe with the shot. It's all filled. Yes, just as I saw, this person sat over here just 15 seconds ago, and within that time, it's all done. So it's all happening really fast and quick. Back to you, Shiv.
Okay, stay with me, Gopi. Also want to bring in Ankit Tyagi, who's live at the LNJP hospital. Ankit, take it away. It's over to you. What's going on at LNJP?
Well, the process of vaccination has started here at the LNJP hospital, which was the biggest facility, Shiv, as far as the COVID-19, entire pandemic is concerned. Dr. Puneet is joining us right now. He is the second person who got the COVID-19 jab here at the LNJP hospital. We spoke to the staff nurse as well who got the first jab, but let me just quickly take you to Dr. Puneet. Dr. Puneet, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
How are you feeling? It's been more than half an hour that you were under observation. Is everything all right?
Absolutely safe. Everything is all right. I'm feeling absolutely fit and fine, joyous, ecstatic. No vocabulary right now.
I mean, what is this card that you're holding? I can see a serial number 2 on this card. What does this card mean, sir?
This card means that it is being given to everyone who's getting vaccinated. Date and time of vaccination is written. Date and time of ending of this observation period is also written. Covishield vaccine have been given, and this card needs to be preserved so that it's a record. Although the same thing is available in the live portal also, but it's just a manual thing which we need to preserve for the next dose also.
For your second jab. Tell me, sir, you being a doctor, there are a lot of people who have a lot of misconceptions, also a lot of apprehensions when it comes to the vaccination process. What would you like to tell those people today?
Well, being district program officer, it was my duty to nominate myself on the day one so that others will also follow suit and others will also come forward for vaccinating themselves. And because I am feeling safe, I am feeling fit and fine, now it will motivate everyone that they should come forward and have this vaccine.
Just give us a sense, how much time did it take for you to right from the beginning to the end of this entire process?
Actually, we have done a lot of dry runs also, and we have noticed that it takes between 3 to 5 minutes for a person to get enrolled and take vaccine and sit in the observation area. Obviously, 30 minutes for observation area is a separate thing, but it should not take more than 3 to 5 minutes.
Have you spoken to your family? How are they reacting getting the...
I am yet to talk to my family members.
You know, just one more thing. When will you be getting the second dose? When will you be getting your second jab?
It will be planned at administration level, and around after 28 days, the time for second dose will come.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Congratulations. That's Dr. Puneet Jaitley. He was the second person, Shiv, who got the COVID jab today. He got the Covishield jab, which is being, in fact, given here at the LNJP hospital. Back to you.
Ankit, thanks very much for that. Let's bring in Manogya from Kolkata as well. Manogya, how are those who've been administered their first COVID shots feeling right now?
Well, absolutely. I've got a set of people, doctors, medical facilities and faculties who've been here at the helm of affairs during the corona time. Congratulations, Corona Warriors, for being administered the first dose. Vaccination day, a big day for the country, the nation and the world. How was the entire experience? If you could give us your name and details.
Excellent. I am Dr. Arindam Das, Assistant Professor, Department of ENT and Head and Neck Surgery. I received the first dose on the first day, and this is an excellent and very nice experience altogether, because it was the last 10 months we are spending such a time with a tension, anxiety and all these things. And I think this is the starting of a new beginning, and everything will be fine within few days, in coming days.
Doesn't it feel that 2020 is over? 21 is here already?
Definitely 2020 is over, but we still can't keep our guards down. Although we have received the vaccine today, and I hope the rest of the country will also receive the vaccine in coming few days, but still we need to keep our protection. We still need to use masks and sanitize and follow the routine hygiene practices, and I really hope that this pandemic will be over soon.
How much time did it take? What was the entire process followed here?
The process was very smooth. After our initial registration, we waited for some time. Then the vaccine was administered to us, and we were observed for about half an hour for any kind of symptoms or any kind of local reaction, which we didn't have any. And it was very smooth. And I would really like to thank the government and the organizing team for such a smooth transition of events.
Well, it's a proud day. How does it feel? You're carrying a sheet in your hand. What does that explain? Explain that to us.
Yes, I Dr. Bijan Bosak, Associate Professor ENT Department. I am very much glad and proud that I take part in this national COVID vaccine program. So we can fight against the COVID. Yes.
Well, it's a big day, and how the doctors have been explaining with a lot of enthusiasm, excitement, and considering it to be a big day. This indeed, it is, Shiv, a very, very big day, not only for the country, but also the world, where India is all set to make and be a part of this massive history.
Hugely significant, and it's so good to hear the voices of those who've just been administered the vaccine. They're all happy, they're all upbeat, no adverse reactions, no allergies, no nobody's feeling weak or anything like that. Everybody's looking happy and bright. You know, this is so inspiring, and this is the reassurance that people all across the country will need as they get their turn. And there, sabka number aayega. Everyone will get their chance to line up if they want to and get the vaccine. That process has now officially begun. These are some of the most reassuring images that we could possibly have brought you during this raging pandemic. Here is what the Prime Minister said just a short while ago to kick off this monumental vaccination exercise.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.